echoes. Rimmel became a sea of wounds. They said his voice is gone, but blood writes the clear truth. Smoke and dust blind my eyes. The baby screams broke through the air, but behind the ruins there is a voice that never dies. Children run, not knowing where to go. Mothers scream, searching for their families. On the world screens, the numbers rise again. 60,000 lives become a lonely statistic. They say the hero is dead, but who believes the words of a gun? Because in every brave heart, your name lives an eternal flame. The voice will not be extinguished, even if the body sinks. Bombs can destroy homes and names, but they cannot kill the story of Gaza. Hey rulers, hear the screams of the earth. Hey world, how long will you close your heart? The ICJ speaks, the ICJ speaks, but blood continues to spill in the streets of Gaza. The world argues, cameras turn, but the voice continues to echo loudly. It's not just a name that's been lost, it's a voice that defies the long silence. The voices will not die, even if bodies drown. Bombs can destroy homes and names, but they cannot kill the story of Gaza. They cannot kill Gaza's resistance. The voice whispers, justice will come, even if the sky falls tonight.